It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, babe.
You know.
You are. Alright, and we put the do-rag on to start the day off.
Alright, let's go.
No, you can do it.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Oh man, we're late. We're going to get breakfast with Jonathan's or our aunt and uncle. So we're going to go pick them up and we're gonna enjoy breakfast. And we still have to unpack. Whoa! Yeah, it's crazy. So we still have to unpack and we're gonna enjoy Jonathan's birthday, doing everything that he wants to do, which is always being with family, which is what I like to do. So we are just running late. Be right back. So my husband looks. Look how handsome. For some weird reason, I'm always out of breath, and I don't know why. Always out of breath. It's really weird.
Hey, honey, can we put in that edge for me?
Okay, so back to what I was saying, because we are rushing right now. We are late to pick up, as always. I feel like we get in the car and it's like, oh, we're late again. But it's Jonathan's birthday! Yeah!
Another day, another dollar.
And my honey bunny is almost 30, but not there yet. So we have a filled day. But it started all yesterday. I don't know if they can hear us with the windows down. Okay, I just closed up all the windows. Sorry for the noise. But we have a fun-filled day today. It all started last night, actually, when my mom picked us up from the airport. We just came back from Mexico, and we are tanned and burnt. Yeah, we're burnt. And we put so much sunscreen on, so I don't understand it. But we, last night, my mom picked us up. Your seatbelt, honey. My mom picked us up. And we were like, we're hungry, like on the plane, like, man, we're hungry. And then she had Vincent's for us in the car. And what Vincent's is, it's Italian. It is so yummy good that it was just so perfect and so good. And then she bakes Jonathan's favorite cake.
She did.
Which is, okay, it's a strawberry shortcake. But it's a playoff from Grand Lux strawberry shortcake.
Yeah.
So if you go there,
they call it like warm butter cake now. Something like that.
Warm, buttery, goodness, yummy cake that my mom makes, and it is fire. So she said she's gonna make another one tonight, right? Or something like that.
It's going down.
Yeah. So, and then we had my sister, her husband, my niece Taylor over, which was really, really, really nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonathan. Happy birthday to you.
Are you 1?
Are you 2? Okay.
Are you 10?
Are you 20? Are you 25? Are you 27? Are you 28? You're 29!
Happy birthday!
Make a wish.
Yay!
Yeah! And my mom, while we were gone, she like revamped our home, which we're leaving and we're moving out of. So the next people who live in there
All the perks.
Yeah, they're gonna enjoy it. It looks so good. And yeah, we have so much more, not so much more, but we have more to do. So I will probably start filming that too. And just that whole process. I think that's kind of cool. But we're on our way to eat breakfast. So we will check in whenever we do.
Whenever we do.
And then we're going to the city.
We are going to the city.
To see Balu. That's his mom. Valerie. Alright, so we'll be back later. Bye. Look at Joni. It's hot boy summer, honey. Hot boy summer.
No, I'm married.
What is the wink for?
Give the crowd something to laugh at.
Oh, okay, because that wasn't insinuating anything.
Every time I come up,
Update time. We are in the city right now, and we're still, well, we're on our way to pick up Jonathan's mom. I have my birthday boy, Looking very fine.
Brown.
So brown. So good. We are in traffic.
Traffic.
What should take us like probably 30 minutes is taking us like 2 hours right now. But we're on our way to go get the mother-in-law. Oh yeah.
Singing to the internet?
To my own song. But I have a good hair day today. Look at that, bam, bam, bam. From being in Mexico, my hair actually, like the tips, where it used to be bleached, has like popped out even more, like the color. So I only have like a little left of the bleach from 2 years ago, which is crazy. But we are in Manhattan, and these cars are driving us crazy. All right, so we're back, and the last place I think that we started off was Jonathan's birthday, which was very nice. We spent time with family. I feel like in every vlog, I talk about masking, right? My face is breaking out so bad. I don't know if it's from the plane ride or whatnot, but we are going to be doing an Olaplex treatment. So I thought I would film it because I think I filmed it before and I posted it, whatever, story of my life. So this is Olaplex number 3 that I'm going to be putting in my hair. And it's going to repair and strengthen from our trip. So I'm breaking out really bad, like I said. So I'm going to first mask, because we're going to do that. Just coat my face with water and then put this on. Now with Olaplex, the good thing about Olaplex is that you can leave it on. Recommended, they say like 25 minutes. I have some editing and stuff I'm gonna be doing, so it's gonna take me I'm gonna leave it on longer. But before that you put it on with Olaplex, you wanna make sure that you are, your hair is clean. So I have to clean my hair, wash it. I'm gonna do that in the sink. And then by the time I have to take a shower for the day, I have to go to a baby shower. I have to figure out what I'm gonna get for the baby shower, which I don't know why I waited till last minute. Usually I'll create something, but with a lot going on, I was not able to. So I have to figure out what I have to buy for the baby shower. So with Olaplex, it's just gonna like re-deep condition my hair from the water was chlorine when we were in Mexico, so this is like a salt, I mean it wasn't chlorine, it was salt water inside of the pool. But yeah, I'm sure that they have chemicals and a lot of crap, so I have to just like deep condition it when I come back, which is now, which is not bad. Look, my lips a little gangsta, but it's cool, whatever. So let me wash my hair. I'm going to be washing my hair with, until I run out of it, washing it with the Not Your Mother's. This is the Green Tea Wild Apple Blossom shampoo. I feel like I look like a zombie. I'm about to wash my face off anyway because it feels like it's getting hard and like the water dripped on it. This is a wash that you should be doing when you get back from a vacation. Just make sure that you are scrubbing at your root really good. So I got my scalp really good. Everywhere is clean. Clean. Oh my god, I look like the Joker. We're back. We are clean. Usually I feel like I'm like multitasking, I'm like texting, all this stuff, but whatever. Most of the time, I don't feel as wet. I feel like I got really wet this time. So it's like dripping down my back. I don't know why. Usually I'm pretty good at like securing the neck. I'm sure a lot of you struggle with that if you wash your hair in the sink, right? So now we get to the fun part of Olaplex. And, oh, this water's really down my back. Hold on. Okay, this is just gonna have to do. I'm low-key tired as well, but we're going to do half up, half down. We're going to section the hair, and then we're going to apply Olaplex into sections. So I've done Olaplex before, and this is like the grand finale of it. Olaplex, I think it is pricey. Of course, it's like $28, I think, for this. which is a lot in my opinion. So you have to use every single drip in this Olaplex container. Make sure you get it on your ends, always on your ends. I'm gonna first apply it around my head, and then I'm gonna go back into my hair, like each section a little bit more. Yes. Okay, with Olaplex, there's not as much slip as you would hope that there would be, like with a conditioner. A lot of hair is coming onto my hands. I'm about to open this baby up. No! $28. So I would really like to try Tracy Ellis Ross is her new line Pattern. I've always been obsessed with her hair. Her line looks so cute. I love the name. It's so smart, so simple, so like duh, like that is the perfect name. So it's like people overthink the name, but like duh, Pattern for all different types of patterns. I think it is so clever. I have no idea about the ingredients. I really have to look more into it, but I think she does a great job of advertising her hair. Like it's really easy. I mean, that's how she always wears her hair. So it's like a common sense thing, especially when everyone's obsessed with it, like myself. I just really hope that it works, you know? I don't even know what stores. I think it's just private right now, and then eventually it'll be sold into stores, most likely, like Ulta. I don't even know the price range of it. I have to check it out. It's what I'm gonna assume it's like the price of Diva Curl, so, which kind of stinks. But I'm only assuming. I am not really too sure. Ah, okay, so I forgot how Olaplex works, but clearly the more that you put in your hair, the more slip that you get, which is much better. Feels so much better now. I'm really trying to get everything out right now. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on. So, we are heavily applied in the hair, and we are going to clip this sucker up. Flip it on up and use a hair cap. Perfecto. I'll be back. I have to eat something for breakfast. I have to edit. I have to do my nails because I took the green off. No more green. And yeah, so I will be back with you to keep you updated on what's happening with little Olaplex. I'll be back. Okay, cool. So I just got out the shower and my hair is squeaky clean, and I'm going to put in my usual hair routine, the cream of nature. I do the activator cream and the snot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that. My hair feels good, clean. But once when I style it, that's really, I feel like, well, you see it now with the Olaplex, like my curls are like really good. But once when I put in my stylers, you'll be able to see it like come to life. But of course it takes like a million hours to dry, so we're just gonna put that in now, and yeah, wait till it dries, I guess, really.
Hello, Ms. Roos, Kelly Rooster.